Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Body Care and Cure. Today is Sunday slash pajama day slash the laziest day possible in the week, and I thought why not to start off my day with a little pampering with these Nykaa sheet masks which I have recently ordered on a huge discount. So I got this on an offer of buy 5 and get 5 for free. So each one cost 100 rupees in general and I got it for 50 rupees and I'm very excited to use these. So the first one I'm using is tea tree plus aloe vera for clear and moisturized skin. This one is the personal recommendation for my skin type, which is the oily skin, and tea tree is famous all around the world for healing acne due to its antibacterial and antiseptic properties, and aloe vera is a unique component for moisturized skin. So you can always read the description and ingredients at the back and follow these 5 little steps to use the sheet mask. The other one which I've ordered is gooseberry plus papaya for nourished and brightened skin. So this is a very nice combination for the face. Amla works wonders for your skin by lightening blemishes and acne scars. Papaya's hero enzyme papain, also with high amount of potassium and minerals, provide the much needed nourishment and gives your skin a very healthy and natural glow. The third one which I've ordered is strawberry plus argan oil for blemish-free and glowing skin. So this is rich in vitamin C. Strawberry protects the moisture barrier of your skin to give you a revitalized and radiant complexion, while argan oil is also known as liquid gold, quickly seeps deep into your skin to give it a natural boost of nourishment. You can always read all the ingredients and description at the back and follow these procedures and the steps. Now this one has to be my favorite because this has rice water plus white tea for a toned and firm skin. So rice water is a traditional Korean beauty secret which is rich in vitamins, amino acid and ferulic acid, which helps to smoothen the appearance of your skin and balance excess sebum generation, while white tea extracts and enhance the natural elasticity of your skin and provides much needed nutrition to give you a firmer looking skin. The last one is avocado plus moringa for a nourished and hydrated skin. Also known as nature's butter, avocado has a high content of healthy fats, vitamins which go deep into your skin to give you a boost of nourishment, while moringa has vitamins and calcium A, B, C, very good for hydration. So today with you all, I'm gonna be wearing tea tree plus aloe vera for clear plus moisturized skin. This one is very good for acne healing and because of its antibacterial and antiseptic properties. So this one does not really promise to vanish off my pimple or any bump like the one I have on my forehead, but yes, it definitely reduces the redness and itchiness of the same. Now before applying sheet mask, always remember to mild cleanse your face and put a toner. It really becomes even more effective. So this is one of my first answer I'm giving to a lot of questions that you guys might have in your mind, that what is the proper way of applying a sheet mask. So always mild cleanse your face. Wash off your face with a very mild face wash or cleanser, and then try to tone your face with any of your favorite toner. The one I'm using is from Ayur, and as you can see the picture on the right side, and this one is for all skin types.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah.
After cleansing and toning your face, it's time finally for the sheet mask. It looks something like this from within, and I'm gonna gently pull out the sheet mask from the pouch. I'm gonna remove extra gel from the sheet mask back into the pouch, which I'll be using later. Now slowly just open it up with a lot of patience so that you don't end up tearing it, as it is already very thin and sensitive. I am personally very much happy with Nykaa sheet mask. It does everything that it claims, is reasonably priced, on sale most of the time, very easily accessible to Indian sheet mask geeks like me, and the perfect fitting.
We don't gotta rush now, never gonna rush now. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time, stay a minute, another minute.
Okay, so another question most of you have in your mind is that, is it really effective / worth buying? So personally, yes, I really do think sheet masks work. I think it does take time, trial and error to find ones that are perfect for your skin type, and it's all about experimenting and seeing which one works best for you and your skin. Packed with the goodness of these wonderful ingredients, this mask is your ideal choice for clear and healthy skin. You have to massage it for just 30 seconds and then leave it for another 15-20 minutes on your face and relax. Remember guys, you don't have to throw it, as the leftover gel is what we have to use later once we remove the mask. So now 20 minutes are over and I think my mask wants to come out on its own. So 1, 2, 3, and it feels so amazing, so refreshing. I'm so relaxed. It actually gave a cooling effect to my face and my skin feels so nourished and moisturized. To have my feeling, you have to try it yourself. So hurry up and order the one for yourself. Now I'm trying to take out the leftover gel. You can see a lot of it left inside. It is even dripping from between my fingers. So now I'm just gonna apply it to my face. From skin complaints to tween sleepover activities to alluring sparkly little packages, guys and girls of all ages are reaching for the face mask. Face masks work by driving ingredients closer and deeper into your skin, infusing your pores and allowing the skin to soak up more of the product. Face mask can have the immediate effect that people are looking for, so although it may be temporary, it can give you a boost or glow for an event. I'm taking full advantage here by spreading it even into my hands and hydrating them. I am very happy guys to be sharing this video with you. You can see that I am very refreshed and to start off my Sunday like this with you all. If you want my feeling, then just don't waste more time and hurry up and buy. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your loved ones. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.
How did I make